Hey cool tech lovers! Looking for the latest and greatest tech gadgets online? Explore our curated list of the 15 coolest Amazon tech gadgets that are sure to elevate your tech game to the next level. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into some of the coolest innovations you can add to your cart right now. Number 15. Amazon Echo Pop. Kicking off our list is the Amazon Echo Pop, a compact smart speaker with Alexa and full sound that's great for bedrooms and small spaces. Small enough to blend in and mighty enough to stand out. It controls music with your voice by asking Alexa to play music, audiobooks, and podcasts from your favorite providers like Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, Pandora, SiriusXM, and more. Connect via Bluetooth to stream throughout your space. Additionally, Amazon Echo Pop is compatible with smart home devices like smart plugs or smart lights with your voice or the Alexa app. REDRIE Drone with camera. Next up, we have the drone with camera. Great drone toys for adults and kids. Jai2 Drone is an ideal choice for beginners to start their first drone flying adventure. One key start can help users to start flying easily. The upgraded hover system ensures a stable flight at a certain height, making it easier for beginners to control the drone and capture high-quality footage. Cool light design adds more fun to the flying experience. Number 13. Cooluli Mini Fridge for Bedroom. This is a nifty little cooler. It keeps your eggs, butter, and a burger very cold, is easy to take with or move around with just one finger, and is very light in weight. It can store your skincare, personal care, and beauty product faves. From moisturizers to masks, serums to creams, and everything in between. The unique semiconductor operation is energy efficient, ultra quiet, and 100% environmentally friendly. Cooling capacity: 40F, 45F below ambient temperature. Number 12. Oura Ring Gen 3 Horizon. Your finger provides the most accurate pulse reading, making your health data and insights more personal than ever. Oura Ring's research-grade sensors monitor over 20 biometrics with precision. Oura Ring is compatible with iOS and Android. It seamlessly integrates with over 40 apps, including Apple Health, Google Health Connect, Natural Cycles, Flow, Strava, and more. Number 11. Echo Frames 2.0 Smart Glasses. Echo Frames are back and better than ever. The 2.0 version of these smart glasses now includes improved audio quality, a more comfortable fit, and longer battery life. With built-in Alexa, you can take calls, listen to music, and get notifications without ever picking up your phone. They direct sound to your ears while minimizing what others around you can hear. Echo Frames are lightweight and comfortable. They are IPX4 splash resistant for water and sweat and are available in prescription-ready frames, polarized sunglass lenses with UV 400 protection, or blue light filtering lenses. Number 10. Dyson Hot Plus Cool Fan Heater. Its air multiplier technology amplifies the surrounding air, giving an uninterrupted stream of smooth airflow. Ceramic plates heat up fast to heat you quickly in cold weather, and powerful amplified airflow cools you fast in hot weather. The sleep timer can be programmed to turn off after preset intervals, from 15 minutes to 9 hours. Number 9. ecobee Smart Thermostat. The ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium with smart sensor and air quality monitor has revolutionized the way you control and optimize the temperature in your home. The included smart sensor adjusts the temperature in the rooms that matter most to reduce hot or cold spots and keep you comfortable. Compared to a hold of 72 degrees Fahrenheit, the built-in air quality monitor alerts you to poor air quality, provides tips on how to improve it, and reminds you when it's time to change your furnace's air filter. Secure your home's doors and windows with contact sensors that monitor entry, exit, and motion. Number 8. PEAWI Strongest TV Antenna Indoor. It is a digital antenna for smart TV indoors, equipped with a 2024 enhanced IC chip and a high-quality signal amplifier to ensure the stability of signal reception and access to more free channels. All details are fully improved. Enjoy premium audio, richer color, and a faster refresh rate. Air TV antennas have high gain, bring clear pictures, lower noise, and access to most TV signals. Transfer the 8K/4K combination of Oura and HDR video content. Number 7. LaserPecker 4 Laser Engraver. The LP4 Laser Engraver has a flexible structure that can be adjusted to any angle. Consequently, the shape, size, and height of engaging objects are not limited, unlike others that can only engrave on objects with limited conditions. Besides, its small size makes it suitable for creative work at home, in studios, or in the store to be customized for customers. LaserPecker Laser Engraver offers free smartphone and PC applications to help you easily start up. The apps support rich image editing features such as multi-layer editing, variable engraving settings, multi-format image import, etc. Number 6. Echo Show 10. Equipped with Wi-Fi and a built-in microphone, the Echo Show 10 connects to your home's wireless network and allows you to video chat with friends, play music, check the weather and traffic reports, hear sports scores, watch videos, and more. Securely access the built-in camera to remotely monitor your home anytime with the Alexa app or other Echo Show devices. Number 5. eero Pro 6 Mesh with V6 Router. Say goodbye to dead zones and slow internet with the eero Pro 6 Mesh Wi-Fi system. This latest version supports Wi-Fi 6E, providing faster speeds and better performance, even in large homes. It's perfect for households with multiple devices, ensuring everyone stays connected without a hitch. Number 4. DURACELL M150 Power Station. Power phones, tablets, laptops, any of the small devices you need for work and for life. Lightweight and compact, the M150 features a cord storage unit, a tiltable device holder that has wireless phone charging, a dimmable ring light, a charging dock, and packs in 150 watts of power. You no longer need to be tethered to the wall now that you have portable power for your work and leisure activities. Powered the possibilities. Number 3. Blink Outdoor 4 Smart Security Camera. Outdoor 4 is our 4th generation wire-free smart security camera that helps you protect your home inside and out right from your smartphone. This wireless security camera boasts an extended battery life, high-definition video, and weather resistance. Its easy installation and compatibility with Alexa make it a top choice for home security, providing peace of mind with minimal hassle. Number 2. Echo Dot 5th Gen. The Amazon Echo Dot is easy to install. The voice recognition is great. It integrates effortlessly with the Alexa app. You can set up routines and integrate them with other Alexa devices. For example, you can use motion detection via sound vibration to turn lights on or off. The sensitivity of the sound vibration is adjustable. There is a world of actions and features to be garnered by using Alexa and Alexa-compatible devices. There are recipes, shopping lists, reminders, alarms, and much, much more. Amazon Astro, household robot. Topping our list is Amazon Astro, the household robot. Astro can navigate your home, check on specific rooms, and even bring items to you. It's equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and Alexa integration, making it not just a robot, but a helpful companion. Amazon Astro uses advanced navigation technology to find its way around your home and go where you need it. When you're not using Astro, it will hang out close by at the ready. Astro can carry a variety of accessories, like a Ziploc container, the Omron blood pressure monitor, and a Furbo dog camera that tosses treats to your pet. You can also dress up your Astro with an It's a Skin Wheel decal. From smart home essentials to innovative gadgets, these Amazon tech wonders are sure to elevate your life with convenience and style. Embrace the future today and see you in the next video.